Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to check the TPM or the Trust Platform module on your PC. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to head over to my search right here and then I'm going to search for PowerShell. So when PowerShell pops up, you are going to hit on this Run as Administrator button right here. So when you do that, it's going to need you to click on Yes to confirm. So you are going to do that. So after the confirmation, this window is going to come up and then you are going to type in get-tpm. Get-tpm. So after typing that, you are going to hit on enter on your keyboard and then you're going to get information on your Trust Platform module. So if TPM present shows false right here, just the way it is right here, that means your PC does not have a TPM chip. But if the TPM present appears as true and then the TPM ready appears false, that means you have a TPM chip on your system, so you can go ahead and activate it. So that's how to check your TPM or Trust Platform module on your PC. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.